In this video, we are going to use AND function with if function together. To explain this function, I am in if function worksheet. First, I will explain the scenario that what I am going to do. In the last video, we have learned AND function, and in that our condition was if salesperson has achieved monthly sales target and weekly sales target both, then answer should be true, otherwise false. This true and false statement is by default in AND statement. But suppose we have to write something else, then we have to use if and AND function together. Now our condition is if both condition is fulfilled, both condition means monthly and weekly sales target both, then company will give bonus to that salesperson. So answer should be bonus as statement. Or if condition is not fulfilled, then answer should be no bonus as statement. Now first click I5 cell like this and then click to formula tab over here, and in that click to logical icon over here, and in that click to if function. The moment we click if function, new window will appear in front of us. It is called function argument. In that, in logical test argument, type AND, then open bracket sign. Now we have to use AND function. For that we need AND function window. To get AND function window, first go to formula bar over here, and in that click to AND. The moment we click AND, it will redirect us to AND function. Suppose we want to go to if function, then click to if in formula bar. It will redirect us to if function window. Now we want AND function window, so we will click to AND. Now in front of us AND function window is there. First click between open and close bracket of AND over here. Now according to first condition, salesperson must achieve monthly sales target. That we have already figured it out, and it is in was goal met column. So in logical 1 argument, I will click to H5 cell. Our first condition job is done. According to our second condition, salesperson must achieve weekly target of rupees 8,000 or more. For this, first we will click to logical 2 argument, and then we will select all 4 weeks from B5 to E5 like this. Then press greater sign, then equal sign, then write 8,000. This is our condition that salesperson should achieve monthly goal and salesperson should also achieve weekly goal of rupees 8,000 or more. That we have written in AND function. After completing AND function job, click to if in formula bar over here like this. It will redirect us to if function window. See, complete AND function formula is there in logical test. If this both condition is fulfilled by salesperson, company will give bonus to them. So write bonus as a statement in value if true argument over here. Bonus. If this both condition is not fulfilled by salesperson, company will not give bonus. So write no bonus as a statement in value if false argument like this. No bonus. After doing all this job, click OK. Now our answer is ready. If you want for all the salesperson, drag it down like this. We use AND function and if function together. Try this both function together in your Excel worksheet, and I will see you in next video.